Think they hit a school?
I did hit a school.
There's two of them, right?
That's took that away.
Saw something over there. Oh, there's something over there.
Where?
Straight ahead.
I don't see nothing.
Oh, you see him?
That's okay.
Watch out, guys.
They're about to catch it already.
Oh, he went after it. Got him!
Oh, you did.
Oh. I don't know. I was just on school and I just cast it at it.
Yeah, that's so cool. I got a snapper. Too spoiled.
No!
What was it like? Probably a king. Good bro. Close to the river?
Yeah.
Throw your spoon. Yeah, your spoon. Catch your spoon.
Oh, it's too tight. No. Oh, it's too tight, bro. No. I'm so mad at myself, bro.
You took your spoon?
Took my lure. I'm an idiot. That was my fault. Nah, I didn't realize I was too tight. I broke off.
No, you have. You still feel it? I feel like there has to be a structure. Yeah, I wish I could try my rock with a spoon. Oh my god. Use this one. Look, you already has the spoon.
Yeah. I used that.
Alright.
Oh, I'll get stuck with these guys. Right up in front of you on the wood.
Oh, you can take the fish off?
Oh, the fish off?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh!
There you go, Damon.
Towards me!
There you go.
No, I lost him.
Oh.
Get the net, Waddle, get the net. Or gas, I don't care. Get me, man. No. Oh, he still got.
You need to come over here. You can. There you go.
Good job, Zach. Good job. You're doing good. Keep it tight because he's gonna run towards you a lot.
Don't put the.
These fools are crazy.
Go into the boat there. Oh. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh shit! I'm gonna fall. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Oh god, this is hot.
Wow.
Oh my god, the spoon is hot.
Jesus.
Oh, the spoon's boiling.
Oh, you don't need. Oh no, he came off.
Oh my god.
Those little teeth. You see his spoon there? Yeah, fuck. Oh, you got small spoons I can throw it? Yeah.
Yeah, they're on here. Oh, what? That one's already set up, the white one.
Then that would be good enough?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You gotta pick him up, bro. You gotta pick him up.
Hold on.
Oh, oh yeah, exactly. Here, use these. Or you won't.
I broke the net.
Here, exactly.
How did I break it? They put that in his mouth.
Put that in his mouth or it won't bite you. For insurance. Man, it's no wind. I hate it. Kind of. So hot.
So freaking hot. Crazy, bro.
There's first king. Shaky.
Me too.
It's on again.
Yeah, I see that.
And I don't. I'm at
So I said real. I look behind her. You weren't really this whole time. Yeah, he don't look like he's fighting too much. Never mind. He woke up. He woke up. I'm just gonna keep casting, man. The fishes are in the water. There you go. He not a small one, man. He decided to wake up. You don't want to try to gap him? That's a Spanish mackerel, man. That's a little kingfish. Oh, I got bit. Come on, man. I just got bit too, man. No, it's a kingfish. I just got bit. Over there. Over there. Yeah. You gotta sit down, put the rods up, put the spoon back. Yeah. Well, what how did it? Yeah. Hey, oh, right in front of the boat. Looks pretty far away though. Oh, finally! That's a big one. Oh God. I was so busy on what's going on in front of me. Look at it! That's some color. Oh, guys, calling that boat. Yes! Finally!
Get the pliers. There you go.
That's too close. Oh! There you go.
Get the grip. Don't pull it up too much. Fall up. Take a picture. Take a picture.
If it could go under the lips. Oh, oh, oh. I can't do it.
You nervous or what? Nope. Come on, girl. You got this.
That'll have to do.
Yeah, just hold it like that first.
There you go.
Hold it up.
There you go.
That's a clip.
That's so worried if I fall off the boat.
Down in the picture, that's a close.
Hold it sideways. Yeah, grab the tip.
Get in the front of the boat.
Back up so you can
It might be.
a little bit. There you go. That's a good attitude.
Nice.
That's good.
My sweet tea.
That's like,
That's one.
yeah, that's a nice picture. Look at that.
Oh god. Yeah, that was awesome.
Wow.
Alright. Put her on nice. Put her on nice.
You got it.
Oh. I mean,
She big.
she a big girl, man.
Flaco.
Let's go. That's my first one right there. And we're out of spoons already.
Yeah, we're. You can fix it there. I'm hard hit.
Hey.
Go way over here.
Here.
Only fish you catch is
You're a hard hit. You're like, I cut something. Yeah, red snapper.
thought you got rid of me, huh?
He like, he thought the boat was gonna stop me. Oh. Oh.
Feel no.
See? No.
Oh, we bit that.
Yeah, must have got big. Where's the flash?
Oh, they're strong.
Oh, hooked up!
Hey, rolling the rock. Tiny. You got that? Oh, I got it too. Ah, let go.
Nah, he's swimming towards me.
Oh, look at the net. Oh, you turn up the engine there?
Oh yeah, I don't wanna.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't get too close, man. Yeah.
Stay standing up. Get over here. I do it. Try and dive in the water. Yeah. That's high, huh?
Oh, he's to the left.
This thing is huge, man.
That sounds big. I saw him. I don't wanna loosen it up a little bit, you know. Okay.
Oh, you can see him down there. Come over here, Dad. Oh, he's way over here.
I'm listening to it actually.
Way over there.
No, that. Oh, that was too low. Yeah, it's too low.
You still got his foot?
Round 2. Ah, see him, see him. Yeah, someone towards me.
Someone told you? That's Spanish. That's a good one though. Still keep that thing.
Oh my god. Oh god. Yeah, keep that one.
He's a bit smaller than them.
Oh, yeah, it's a big one.
He's a big boy. Somebody needs to be recording this.
Damon got it.
You want me to net it?
Don't get tired.
You want me to net it?
No.
Never mind here. Did I have to net? I swear I'm not the bad luck.
I think so. Dude.
Bro, hey, let's go again. Let's go. We gotta get one. Oh my god, it's crazy. You wanna turn around or you just go straight? That one was a big one, man. You ain't good enough, man. Oh, yeah, he saw it the last second. So I gotta price this. Ooh.
Come on, get him, hit him.
He's going to under.
You look like a rookie.
Oh, I can't reach that.
Get your short ass arms out there.
There. Oh, he's too long for the net.
Get the gap, get the gap. Wait, get the gap. It can't fit that. Bring this one. Bring this one. I got the gap frame. Got it?
That's a good one. He's too big for the net, man. He was too big for the net. I'll let you know it.
God, he's a monster.
I think that's the biggest one.
That's the biggest, yeah.
Oh, Damon got one, Damon got one.
Damien's on.
Damon got one.
Damien's on. Damien's on. Yeah.
Come on, Flacco. Get out of Flacco.
Ah, get it, fuck, get it.
Hold on. Let me take it. You hear it? You hear it? Where's the net? It's in the front of the
Close that seat also?
Huh?
Close that seat.
Close that seat. You want to close that seat? Don't lose it, Flacco. Give Damien, look. Yeah, because he has those really light hooks. Really light hooks.
Oh my god.
So tired, right?
There you go. Right here.
You don't have the drag to tighten?
Nah, it's very loose.
There you go.
It's a small one. No, it's right here. Oh no! These hooks are weak, dude. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Measure and see if it's 27. Oh my god.
Where's the measuring tape?
On the bottom of that. Oh.
Yeah, it's the same kind.
Oh, wait, don't put it that way.
Oh, watch out the hooks there.
There you go.
Good flash.
Because it was coming out, that's why.
Okay, you can pull it now.
Yep.
I need to replace those hooks already. Look at the hooks.
You can replace them?
Yeah, I have plenty right here.
You want to measure?
It's gotta be 27, huh?
This
Yeah.
was honestly probably one of the smaller ones we got.
Yeah.
Why?
That's enough. You're taking all the kingfish.
Measure it.
Like that?
I'll do the honors. Shit. Dude, I mean, I think he makes it. If I'm being honest with you.
Oh, 34? 35?
35 inches?
Come on, man.
Yeah, and that's one of the smaller
35
ones.
inches.
35 inches. That's what
35 inches? Oh,
So
wow.
they're all got it. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, this one's. Well, is it the smallest one?
I mean, it's close.
Yeah, I want
Oh,
Medium's on. Oh my god.
Oh, big.
Dude, that real string.
You stop the boat by 1/6 hook.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm on the other side. And then, I don't want to get tangled in here. I don't know where I'm at.
I don't think so.
you're good. You're good, Wada.
Where's the net? It's on top.
Yeah, it's on top.
What if?
And he moves around the boat back going to fish.
It's in the back.
He's in the back. Oh my god, I'm just gonna see you.
What is it? Kingfish?
King.
It has to be a king.
Very hooked there.
Oh, you hooked it from the bottom.
He got unhooked. He got hooked.
Be careful. So many hooks. Oh my god. Throw it over. Throw it over.
Throw it in a tackle box or something. Stop it.
The boat's gonna come back full of blood, huh?
What do you think?
29? What does it say?
29 or 30?
Yeah, you're good.
They're
That's
all-
about the same size as the other ones.
Who? falling.
Awesome.
This point of commercial fishing.
Damon caught his limit.
Where's the
The net?
net?
It's up top. Come on.
Scooch forward.
No, you're good, you're good. I'll get it.
Oh, okay. You could pass it over here, Dad.
Smash, smash.
Oh, that's a Spanish. Just pull him up. Oh, it's a tuna!
It's bonita.
It's bonita!
It's bonita.
Ah! You can't keep those up, but
Nah, these are like for like sharks.
yeah.
They're bloody.
Bait.
Let's take a picture. Those are cool.
Yeah, those are cool.
It's not a king.
Send me a picture. Send me a picture.
That looks cool.
You said it was a tuna, Fred? Those things are cool. I thought it was a Spanish because I saw the spots.
Yeah, I, was like, I just saw the
Right on
size
here.
and I was like, Spanish.
Let me tell you this. Hold on.
Nice. I'm not under over you. I'm over you. Oh!
Yeah, there you go.
Real.
God, this one's a monster. Heck yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Oh,
Shit.
yeah, I think they got you. They got you.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Oh my god.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah, he got you with the tender for sure.